Rotary is about real world people who have greater concern for a community and they go all out to help the community around them. Rotary also provides you a great opportunity to interact with fellow Rotarians around the world. Besides human service in various areas, Rotary also provides great emphasis and focus presently on teaching as well as health and sanitation. Indeed, I am proud to be a Rotarian.
Actually joined Rotary after my husband joined. We both were doing a lot of social service as and when we could do whatever back to the society. But then one day when we saw this advertisement in one of the government schools that the toilets were built by the Rotary, and we felt it's something good, and then we attended the meetings, and then we joined to this Rotary International. But after joining, it was really a great experience as we learned how to be a leader without ordering. We learned how to give back to the society with a great humanity and love, and met a lot of people with the same thought process. Rotary has given much more than what I have given it to the Rotary.
The society has given me a lot of money. And it was important, I decided that I should also give it back to society in some form or the other. And I went around thinking and doing research as to identify which is the good organization that I can belong to so that I can give back to society. Then I decided, after doing a lot of research, that the best organization that one can give back to society is the Rotary International. And then I decided to join, and that is how I am today in the Rotary International.
Rotary is all about serving humanity, but I want to emphasize on the personal benefit of being a Rotarian. Rotary as a platform provides one with public speaking, event management, and all aspects of personal development. So come join Rotary, have fun, let's all become a better human being, and above all serve the humanity.
I was looking for a organization to associate with, especially in terms of being. I mean, my passion has been teaching, and I was looking for somebody or some group through whom I could contribute towards the larger community. And towards that search, I think I landed up coming across Rotary as an organization. What fascinated me is the journey, or how Rotary as an organization has evolved over the period of almost a centennial, and I'm sure after being associated with the organization, do feel motivated to bring in people around me and maybe also contribute into the larger cause. And I'm sure, given the way the organization is structured, it has many more years or many more decades to flourish.
Rotary has given a good set of friends with the kind of same mindset, and the fellowship what we enjoy with the friends is unique. It's really a stress reliever for both of us. And another unique thing about Rotary, the kind of projects and the way we execute those projects. Once you are actively involved in projects execution, either in terms of on the ground or in terms of monetary support, we get a sense of achievement which otherwise you cannot get in your professional life. Further to this, I feel, I'm kind of elevated in among my professional colleagues that I'm a Rotarian. I'm taking that as a point among all our team members and my peer levels. They look at me for certain, for certain guidance, what we follow in Rotary, and the kind of the projects, especially on the CSR related areas. So that gives me a complete sense of achievement, and I'm really proud of being a Rotarian, and I love Rotary and my Rotary friends.
I joined Rotary basically because my ability to give back to the society as an individual was always limited. But once I joined Rotary, I realized I get much more back from the society in the form of love, camaraderie, and so many other things. More than anything else, I find Rotary builds in me a lifelong ecosystem of service through association.
According to me, every man is basically a member of social community. He should not only be concerned about himself, but also development and welfare of the society as a whole. When I decided to join Rotary, all I had in mind to make possible change that would help the less fortunate. Rotary has definitely helped us to do so. Thus, it has truly lived up to its motto to and continues to be judged to the public. So it feels great to be a part of Rotary and to be recognized as Rotarian.
My association with the Rotary is Jeevan Bhimanagar has been for last 3 years, and it's been an amazing journey with a lot of great friends, fellowships and service to humanity. And it's a great platform for me to express my passion towards serving the humanity. And I look forward to continue my journey with all the great friends.
For our children, for the world we live in.